Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Syncwire UNBREAKcables. They're supposed to be unbreakable, and that's why they're called UNBREAKcables. Makes sense, right? But do they live up to their names? Let's find out. The UNBREAKcables come in Lightning, Micro USB, and USB Type-C varieties, and the Lightning version is MFI certified. They're actually going for around $10 on Amazon, which is an amazing deal in my opinion, but make sure to check out the links in the description to get the most updated prices. They can do everything that your standard charging cable can do, like charge and sync, but they also have extra features that make them superior in my opinion. Inside the box, you get the UNBREAKcable that's wrapped around this plastic thingy. If you want, you could keep this plastic thingy to store your cable when not in use. At first glance, the UNBREAKcables just look like regular cables. However, when you first pick them up, you can feel that they are a little bit more dense and heavier than a regular charging cable. Other than that though, they do look and feel just like regular cables. These cables are 3.3 feet long or about 1 meter long, and they are much tougher than they look. Syncwire claims that these cables are 40% stronger than Kevlar, which is just insane. They also survived the bend test where they were flexed over 30,000 times at a 90-degree angle, which is even more insane. If those two weren't insane enough, these UNBREAKcables can hold up to 275 pounds or about 125 kilograms, which they say is 30 times stronger than original device cables. Now, I haven't put any of these to the test, but if something were to happen to these cables, you're covered because they have lifetime warranties. The UNBREAKcables are reinforced towards the ends of these cables where fraying mostly occurs, and that's a good thing because I've had some charging cables break on me because they started fraying, but that won't happen to these cables. You can actually tell that they're reinforced if you bend the cables from side to side. The connectors are also made out of metal, which makes them durable like the rest of this cable. The outside of the cable has a smooth finish, and Syncwire says that helps prevent the cable from getting snagged or ripped. The smooth finish also makes the cable feel very nice in the hands. Overall, I believe that these cables are well worth the money. For about $10 each, you get cables that are so much more tougher and durable than your standard charging cables. They're very high quality and they will definitely last for a long time. Even if they do break somehow, the lifetime warranty has got you covered. Again, I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. That was my video review of the UNBREAKcables by Syncwire. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!